is First Alert Weather.
Boy, today would have been a perfect day to be out there playing soccer.
Right, I know. Saturday will be a little bit on the cooler side, but seasonal, so we can't complain too much. I mean, a whole stretch of 70s. It has been gorgeous, and we are in for some changes. Like I said, a temperature drop eventually on the way, but at least for the rest of this week, about 15, 25 degrees above normal with those highs in the 70s. And then Friday is our big change day. That's when we have that impact day. We're still going to be warm, but we start to see the wind ramping up again. And of course, that gives us the concern for fire weather and maybe even a few thunderstorms nearby the Kansas City area. So we will get to the details on that soon, but let's talk about that warmth first. Right now, 70 degrees, that wind out of the east, only about 9 miles an hour. So big difference from yesterday around this time. We are not breezy. As we head into the evening, temperatures are going to be in those mid 60s, maybe a great night to fire up the grill since we'll have that lighter wind. Overnight, we're still going to stay fairly mild in those 40s, 44 degrees, a few clouds passing by in the overnight hours, and they might linger into your Wednesday. We're going to call it partly sunny, 74 degrees. So a little bit warmer tomorrow. We start to warm right back up, and eventually that wind is out of the south as we make our way into Thursday and Friday. That's really going to help warm us up. So looking fantastic on your 9-day forecast. Still a lot of 70s, even with those temperature changes off in the distance there. Here's a breakdown for Wednesday. As we approach lunchtime, we're going to be around that 64-degree mark, and then 74 your high, more sunshine, but remember, maybe some clouds, partly sunny. That wind out of the east tomorrow about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So another quiet day with the wind. Thursday wind speeds looking quiet. We're warmer, 77. Look at Friday morning, 59 degrees. That's very mild, 77 the high. The wind's back out of the south, so that's why we're going to be seeing those temperatures surging up in the overnight hours, and chance for some storms late in the day. Blustery conditions continue into Saturday, but we do really start to cool back down. A little bit more seasonal, 55 degrees Saturday. So that's what I was talking about. Sporting KC Current, a little bit cooler for their games. 54 on Sunday. And that also is when we'll start to see overnight lows back to normal, 32 degrees after several mornings in those 40s and 50s. Looking beyond that, we do briefly warm back up to the 70s. That'll be Monday and Tuesday, St. Patrick's Day. Windy conditions, but beautiful temperature-wise in those 70s, and a few 50s with some rain chances off in the distance as we approach Wednesday. Now, talking about Friday, breaking it down in terms of the timing, here's what it's looking like late Friday as we head into the evening and overnight hours. We have the chance for some showers and storms in the area, and then this quickly pushes out of the area, lifting northward. So for this go around with this system here in Kansas City, we really aren't concerned about the storm and shower chance. We're still keeping an eye on it, but I think that severe threat is going to stay to the east of Kansas City. Our concern is really going to be that high fire danger because we will have drier air making its way towards Kansas City and also strong wind gusts, just like what we experienced yesterday. Not a good combination for fire weather. So that's a concern in Kansas City as we approach Friday. Rain, of course, we'll still update you on that as we get closer to the end of the week.